current thai ki. Oh, next. First effective vaccine against polio was prepared by whom? Gibbon, Jonas Salk,
Salk.
James Simpson, Robert Edwards.
Simpson.
Salk.
Jonas Edward Salk. The vitamin necessary for coagulation of blood. B, C,
K.
A.
Vitamin K.
K, बिल्कुल.
K.
K.
IUCN categorizes major threatened species under how many classes? 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
Five.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆହୁରି ବଢି
Four.
ଯାଇଛି, ଆହୁରି
Four.
ବଢି ଯାଇଛି, 8 ହେଇଯାଇଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ। ତ କୌଣସିଟା ବି ଠିକ ନୁହଁ। ଯେବେ ପଚରା ହେଇଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ 7 ଥିଲା। ବ୍ରିଡିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ bees ମହୁମାଛି is known as what? Sericulture, silviculture, pisciculture, apiculture.
Apiculture.
Apiculture. Dormancy period of animals during winter season is called what? Estivation, hibernation, mutation, regeneration.
Hibernation. Hibernation.
Hibernation. Average lifespan of red blood corpuscles is about how many days?
120 days.
120.
Which is known as immovable property in the cell? Fat, carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid.
Nucleic acid.
Cat.
Nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is known as immovable property in the cell. The enzyme that coagulates milk into curd. Renin, resin, pepsin, citrate.
Renin.
Renin, बिल्कुल. Osteocytes are found in what? Bone, cartilage, blood, lymph.
Bone.
Bone.
Bone. Which is called the digestive bag in the cell? Golgi body, mitochondria, ribosome, lysosome.
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 Lysozyme.
Acute lead poisoning is also known as what? Plumbism, neuralgia, itai, bisonosis.
Itai.
Nine.
Plumbism. The contractile proteins in a muscle are dash and dash. Contractile proteins in a muscle. Actin and myosin, actin and tropomyosin, myosin and troponin, troponin and tropomyosin.
Troponin.
Actin and myosin. Actin and myosin. Hypertension is the term used for what? Increase in heart rate, decrease in heart rate, increase in blood pressure, decrease in blood pressure.
Increase in blood
Increase
pressure.
in blood pressure.
Increase in blood pressure. From the bark of which plant quinine is extracted? Eucalyptus cinchona. Cinchona. Which organelle is called atom bomb? Nucleolus, Golgi bodies, lysosome, microtubules.
Lysosome.
Lysosome. Which branch deals with interactions of same species of living organisms with their non-living environment?
Ecosystem.
Ecology, paleontology, synecology, oticology.
Ecology.
Ecology, बिल्कुल. Which vertebrate lacks exoskeleton? Amphibia, Mammalia, Aves, chondrichids. ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି ଏଟା କ'ଣ chondrichids ନା କ'ଣ ବାୟୋଲୋଜି ପିଲା କାର୍ଟିଲାଜିନିୟସ୍ ଫିସେସ୍ ବି କହନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ତ ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଏକ୍ସୋସ୍କେଲିଟନ୍ ନଥାଏ ଗରମ ହେଲାଣି ଗାଧେଇ ପକେଇଲେଣି ଏକ୍ସୋସ୍କେଲିଟନ୍ ମଜା ଲାଗିଛି ଏଠି ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜିନିୟସ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଡ୍ୟାଶ୍ କାର୍ବୋହାଇଡ୍ରେଟ୍ ଲିପିଡ୍ ପ୍ରୋଟିନ୍ ସଲ୍ଟ
Protein.
बिल्कुल प्रोटीन Which of the following organ excretes water, fat and various catabolic waste? Kidney, spleen, skin, salivary gland.
In.
Kidney. Deposition of uric acid crystals at the joint is the cause of which disease? Arthritis, osteoporosis, osteomalacia, rickets.
Arthritis.
बिल्कुल arthritis. Which of the following agent causes malaria? Insect, protozoa, bacteria, virus?
Protozoa.
Protozoa.
Protozoa. Which organelles are treated as prokaryotic cells within the eukaryotic cells? Mitochondria, Golgi bodies, glyoxysomes, lysosomes. Prokaryotic cells within eukaryotic cells.
Lysosomes.
Mitochondria. Which of the following animals does not have nervous system? Tapeworm, leech, amoeba, snail.
Amoeba.
Amoeba बिल्कुल. Which pair has open type of circulatory system? Cockroach and starfish, tadpole and fish, man and whale, earthworm and leech.
Cockroach. Starfish.
Cockroach.
Cockroach and silverfish. Which of the following gives energy to our body? Vitamin, water, carbohydrate, protein.
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. The element which is required by a plant in large quantity is what? Calcium, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. In plant in plants, water is absorbed by root hairs by which process? Transpiration, osmosis, respiration,
Respiration.
perspiration.
আচ্ছা না সরি এটা হচ্ছে রেসপিরেশনটা
Osmosis.
অসমোসিস
The disease that is caused by virus is dash. Cholera, malaria, typhoid, common cold.
কমন কোল্ড
Common cold.
Common cold.
Common cold. The abnormal constituent of urine is dash. Urea, albumin, creatinine, sodium.
ইউরি
Albumin.
Albumin. The abnormal constituent of urine is albumin. Fiber diet includes what? Glycogen, fat, protein, cellulose.
cellulose,
Cellulose.
Cellulose, बिल्कुल. Fiber diet includes cellulose. Enzymes are what? Inorganic compounds, proteins, microorganisms, molds.
Protein.
बिल्कुल protein. Which of the following relieves pain? Antibiotics, analgesic, disinfectant, antipyretic.
অ্যান্টিবায়োটিক
Antibiotic.
Analgesic. Analgesic relieves pain. କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ହିସାବରେ ନର୍ମାଲ ଲାଇଫରେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ସେମ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଜିନିଷ ପେନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଆଣ୍ଟିବାୟୋଟିକ୍ ବି ଭାବୁ. Rheumatic heart disease is treated with the help of what? Rheumatic heart disease is treated with the help of what? Aspirin, streptomycin, methyl dopa, penicillin.
Methyl dopa.
Aspirin.
streptomycin, aspirin,
Aspirin. Rheumatic heart disease is treated. Mumps is a viral disease that causes inflammation of which gland? Mumps. Sublingual gland, submaxillary gland, parotid gland, infraorbital gland.
লাস্ট
Submaxillary.
parotid,
Parotid gland, बिल्कुल. Inflammation of parotid gland. The largest mixed gland of human body is what? Liver, spleen, thymus, pancreas.
প্যানক্রিয়াস
liver,
Pancreas.
Pancreas mixed. Which is known as graveyard of RBC? Spleen, heart, liver, brain.
Spleen.
spleen,
Spleen.
Spleen. A person having AB group of blood can donate blood to a person having which blood group? A, B,
A B
B.
A B.
Option ହେଲା A, B, A, B, O.
এবি
AB only. AB.
অনলি এবি
बिल्कुल A, B group. Which pair is correctly matched? Tetanus BCG, TB ATS, malaria chloroquine, scurvy thiamine.
ম্যালেরিয়া
Malaria chloroquine.
স্করবি থায়ামিন
ম্যালেরিয়া ক্লোরোকুইন ঠিক ଅଛି. Mycoplasma is associated with a disease that affects which organ? Respiratory, excretory, reproduction, digestion.
Respiratory.
Respiratory organ बिल्कुल. The source of the enzyme diastase is what? Stomach, pancreas, liver, salivary gland.
salivary gland.
Salivary gland, bilkul. Source of the enzyme diastase is salivary gland. How many valves does a human heart have? How many valves?
4.
Four. Four. The cells which are responsible for production of antibodies. RBC, neutrophils, platelets, lymphocytes.
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 Sides.
Lymphocytes. Which cells in our body have the least regenerative power? Muscle cell, liver cell, bone cell, brain cell.
Brain cell.
Brain cells, bilkul. The vitamin that is most readily manufactured in our bodies is which vitamin? A, B, C, D.
C.
D. D.
D, बिल्कुल विटामिन डी. ओहो बहुत गरम ହେଲା ଆଉ ଆସିଲାନି କରେଣ୍ଟ ଏତିକିରେ ରଖିବା ମୁଁ ଆଉ ରହିପାରୁନି. ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ.